You know, in every major crypto cycle, something incredible happens. The world starts paying attention to Bitcoin first, and then slowly, the real opportunities begin to reveal themselves in the altcoins that quietly outperform everything else. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 altcoins that are fundamentally positioned to explode when the next bull run ignites. Not hype coins, not memes, but real projects that are building strong technology, solving real problems, and expanding the crypto economy beyond speculation. This is CryptoLytix. Let's dive in. Let's start where innovation begins, Ethereum. While Bitcoin remains the store of value, Ethereum is the ecosystem where the future of finance, NFTs, and decentralized applications actually live. Its upcoming scalability upgrades and continued move toward Layer 2 dominance make ETH the backbone of DeFi and Web3. Projects like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base are scaling Ethereum's reach, meaning that every successful dApp and every growing chain built on top still benefits Ethereum holders. That's why long-term investors don't see ETH as just another coin. It's the Internet of Value, the foundation where crypto's future is being built. Next comes Solana. Once written off, Solana has quietly staged one of the most impressive comebacks in crypto history. Its lightning-fast transaction speeds, near-zero fees, and growing developer ecosystem have pushed Solana back into the conversation as a true Ethereum challenger. With networks like Helium, Render, and StepN migrating to Solana, it's becoming the go-to chain for scalability and real-world utility. When mass adoption comes, people won't care about ideology. They'll care about speed, cost, and reliability. That's Solana's biggest advantage. If crypto is going to connect to the real world, it needs reliable data. And that's what Chainlink provides. It's the invisible backbone of decentralized finance, powering price feeds, automation, and now tokenization of real-world assets. As more institutions tokenize real assets like bonds, stocks, and commodities, Chainlink's Oracle network becomes the bridge between traditional markets and blockchain. That means when the world goes digital, Link becomes essential infrastructure. Avalanche is next. It's all about speed and modularity, built for institutions, enterprises, and developers who want to launch custom blockchains called subnets for specific use cases. Big names like Deloitte and Amazon Web Services have already collaborated with Avalanche, showing how much real-world potential it holds. And as demand for tokenized finance grows, AVAX becomes one of the most practical platforms to build on. Polygon's mission is clear: bring Ethereum to the masses. It's a Layer 2 scaling solution that has partnered with brands like Starbucks, Nike, Reddit, and even Disney. Now it's evolving into POL, a new token standard powering multiple interconnected chains under one ecosystem. That makes Polygon not just a Layer 2, but a network of networks, built for scalability, sustainability, and mass adoption. When global brands are onboarding millions of users through Polygon, that's a signal worth paying attention to. Arbitrum is quietly dominating the Ethereum scaling game. It leads in total value locked among all Layer 2 solutions, hosting a huge number of DeFi protocols and gaming dApps. Its consistent network uptime, efficient fee structure, and developer support have made it the most battle-tested Layer 2 on the market. If Ethereum is the highway, Arbitrum is the fast lane. And that's why investors are loading up before the next rush. Cosmos takes a different approach. Instead of competing with Ethereum, it focuses on interoperability, connecting different blockchains so they can communicate and share liquidity. Its Internet of Blockchains vision allows independent networks to work together through the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. That's the future of crypto. Not isolated ecosystems, but connected economies. A TOM is what powers that connection. Render is one of the most exciting tokens bridging AI and crypto. It decentralizes GPU rendering, meaning artists, designers, and AI developers can rent out processing power from idle GPUs worldwide. As AI adoption explodes, demand for computational power will skyrocket. And Render is positioned right at that intersection. It's the perfect example of a project using blockchain to solve a global, real-world problem. Aave remains one of DeFi's most trusted and battle-tested lending protocols. It allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest without intermediaries. And it's expanding beyond Ethereum to multiple chains. As traditional finance continues to merge with DeFi, platforms like Aave will serve as the foundation for decentralized banking. A future where you control your money, your yield, and your freedom. Finally, XRP. Despite its controversies, XRP continues to be a major player in global payments. Its transaction speed and scalability make it ideal for cross-border settlements and institutional transfers. With the regulatory clarity that has started to form around it, XRP's real-world utility for banks and fintech firms makes it one of the few coins positioned for mainstream adoption. And remember, adoption drives value, not hype. Every bull run brings a new wave of hype, but wealth is built on preparation, not speculation. These altcoins share one common thread: strong technology, real utility, and clear adoption pathways. While no one can predict exactly when the next explosive move will happen, one thing is certain. The foundations are already being built right now, quietly, by developers, innovators, and investors who understand that crypto isn't a fad. It's a transformation. So when that next wave comes, it won't be luck. It'll be conviction, patience, and smart positioning. This is CryptoLytix, where we decode the patterns of wealth, one cycle at a time.